With a well-conceived plan and a single hour, you can clean and organize your bedroom and create a space you can use to relax and recharge. Spring is fast approaching, and with it comes the desire to clean and organize the most important room in your house, your bedroom. We've got some great tips for how to organize your room in under an hour to create the serene space you need to recharge. 1. Plan out your attack. If you're going to clear the clutter in 1 hour, you need to plan ahead. You don't want your efforts sidetracked while you're searching for a storage box. Be sure to have a box for items you will donate, a box for items you're not sure about, and a box or bag for trash. Items you're keeping will be put where they belong, on shelves, in the closet, or in drawers. 2. Clear your closet. Closets are a magnet for clutter. Rapidly go through all clothing items and only keep those that fit and you truly love. Have proper skirt or trouser hangers. Invest in a scarf hanger. Use drawer dividers for socks and undies, and hooks for purses and hats. Store off-season clothing in under-bed boxes if space is limited, and don't forget to sort through your shoes and boots. 3. Do a swift sweep. Clean your room with an initial sweep. Throw trash into a garbage bag and bring dirty clothing into the laundry room. Now you can use the bed as a clearing station. As you work through each area, spread items out on your bed so you can see everything clearly. Plus, you'll have to finish quickly or you'll have nowhere to sleep. 4. Find hidden storage space. Once you've decluttered, look for open areas in your bedroom or closet. Brainstorm storage solutions that could transform these areas into additional storage space. Is there extra wall space for more shelves or space for a storage trunk at the end of your bed? If so, use it to your advantage. 5. Choose your nightstand wisely. Bedside storage also attracts clutter like keys, loose change, and of course, phones. So choose a storage solution that hides the clutter in bedside drawers, or this clever floating shelf with a built-in drawer. A small 3-drawer dresser makes your nightstand do double duty, gaining more space for bedside necessities and then some. 6. Get rid of the old. It's hard to keep a dressing table clutter-free, but it can be done. Chuck out any toiletries or cosmetics that are old or no longer used. Use drawers with dividers, small baskets, or stacking storage so everything is at hand but tidied away. Keep a trash can for used tissues, cotton balls, etc. And when you have time, why not give your vanity table a makeover with one of these awesome ideas? 7. Use your door space. Drawers are often overlooked when considered how to organize your room. Hooks are great for hanging a bathrobe or items you need for tomorrow, like your outfit, scarf, and hat. Hanging plastic pockets that hook over the top of the door are great for storing small items like electrical chargers, so you can see at a glance where each charger is without spending hours untangling cables.